The future of American manufacturing depends on robotics. That's not hype. It's not science fiction. It's reality. If we want to stay competitive on the global stage, if we want to reshore production, grow our industrial base, and keep jobs here at home, then we have to embrace automation, and we have to do it now. Let's talk about why. Across the United States, manufacturers are struggling to fill roles. Not just high-tech jobs, but the foundational, hands-on work that keeps production lines moving. Machine tending, packaging, repetitive assembly. And when those jobs do get filled, they don't stay filled. On average, workers in these roles leave within 9 to 18 months. Not because they're not capable, but because the work is physically demanding, repetitive, and offers little opportunity for advancement. At the same time, other countries, South Korea, Germany, China, are investing aggressively in automation. South Korea, for instance, has over 1,000 robots per 10,000 workers in manufacturing. The US isn't even close. And the result? These countries are building faster, producing more consistently, and adapting to global demand with a flexibility that we simply can't match without robotics. Meanwhile, there's a push to bring manufacturing back to America. Reshoring is gaining momentum, and it's the right move. But let's be honest, reshoring without automation won't work. Without robotics, our cost structures can't compete. With robotics, we unlock faster production, fewer errors, and better jobs. Jobs that require skill, judgment, and career potential. And that brings me to the biggest myth we need to retire right now. The idea that robots are taking jobs. They're not. Robots are taking tasks. Tasks that burn people out, that cause injury, that drive turnover. And in doing so, they're creating opportunities. When a cobot handles the dull, dirty, and dangerous work, a person can step into a role that's safer, more creative, and more rewarding. Programming robots, maintaining them, managing workflows, improving quality. These are real, meaningful jobs, and they're growing. Now, here's the part that most companies don't realize. You don't have to go it alone. There is real funding available right now to support automation adoption. In Maryland, there's the Manufacturing 4.0 program, offering between $25,000 and $500,000 in grants for robotics and digital technology upgrades. In Michigan, the MEDC Industry 4.0 implementation grant offers up to $25,000 to cover 50% of the cost of automation, robotics, even cybersecurity. New Jersey's manufacturing voucher program reimburses up to 50% of equipment costs, up to $250,000. And Connecticut's Strategic Supply Chain Initiative provides grants ranging from $500,000 to $5 million. These aren't pipe dreams. These are public investments in the future of American industry. Because leaders at every level understand, if we don't invest in robotics now, we'll be buying everything from those who did. This is not about choosing between people and machines. It's about building factories where both thrive. Automation isn't the end of the American worker. It's the evolution of American manufacturing. And the companies that understand that, those are the companies that will win. If this episode resonated with you, if you believe in building a smarter, more competitive future for American manufacturing, then do one thing right now. Like, subscribe, and share this episode with someone who needs to hear it. And if you're ready to take the next step toward automation, contact Automation Distribution. Our team is here to help you navigate the path from finding the right robotic solution to securing funding that makes it possible. Visit automationdistribution.com to learn more.